Individual vendors forcing an upgrade can be unnecessary and problematic, as they withdraw support for products hoping to steer customers into a costly upgrade of their systems. From NetApp to Dell EMC, IBM to Hitachi Vantara, CDS can extend the life of your post-warranty hardware, increasing ROI and saving you a fortune, regardless of what hardware you're using. With our comprehensive and flexible maintenance and support packages, CDS can take care of your multi-vendor environment well beyond the end of your hardware's supposed service life. Our multi-million-dollar spare parts inventory ensures we have every spare for every system we support. As a single point of contact, CDS can provide multi-vendor support globally and keep your hardware running no matter the location. 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. For multi-vendor, multi-platform, multi-system, global support with a single point of contact, talk to us today. cds.net.